Right, fantastic morning. I'm Raston said, "Yeah, good evening. Some tower draw Badwam so now pay a day after da. Yeah, here's Kakra Sports Stadium, the Black Stars of Ghana. Between Sudan and we now so you know about draw call. You better the second leg in the Siako. Yamwakwaba, Sergio Manucho, Bernard Paddy, me producers. Kejuan Kasani, Erica Sidu Body, Walla natural mineral water. The Siako Concord in someone about Walla. One numbia wala natural mineral water temoswani asore kra insurebu papa ne wala natural mineral water na yebeshen samana se de fi the UEFA Nations League games and right pass so de na bebre na ni wo mu pa no aye de England ejane na so ne Greece de pim so on for the first game Ali Castley one na e wo hwechire as the interim manager for England in the first game I will lose no. Apart from that, other games also called so France about Israel by 4-1 and Norway about Slovenia by 3-0. Yankosa games nimo. The results France bought Israel by 4-1, Italy and Belgium bought 2-2. Oh wow. Well, getting more thing. And England they lose 2-1 of Finland. Republic of Ireland born 2-1, among now the same group, West Group 2. Now Austria at Tenerife, Kazakhstan born 4-0. Norway about Slovenia 3-0. Latvia Tenerife, North Macedonia about 3. Faroe Islands and Armenia about 2-2. Gibraltar about San Marino by a goal. And I think so. Gibraltar, San Marino, Gibraltar will be a shiny. Moldova and so about Andorra by 2-0. Inti no asama running and that just near Bosnia. And Germany, Hungary, Netherlands, nothing to Ukraine, and Georgia, now occupy Iceland, Wales, and so they are banning Slovakia, and Sweden, and so they are banning some Ketuakra away, and it's sending the UEFA Nations League fixtures now. It's here and Argentina. A draw, you know, also game on the PM so 18 of qualifiers. How do cost on? You can qualify as someone. You mungra mummerfi. I'm here. The course so of Africa and the Black Stars of Ghana ball 0-0 draw on Sudan. Chances upon chances, Ghana and to me and share now. Ghana copy more Libya now. Sudan for the pim so in the return leg group game. I say any trouble to now send us a game no Coach Otaro, head coach at the Ghana, Sidania Nyokra. Right, I don't know some coach Otaro the two assistant coach the Sudan, coach Ignatius Ofosu. One also in some way to draft the game. It's just for now. Why assistant coach the Sudan. Now, fans maybe in some kakra to draft the game. Maybe a disappointed. Maybe so to don't call. Maybe say plus na nyade.
Chances more ball to put keke. More ball to put my. I don't know, Charlie. Last time we did, Charlie.
The thing they say they give to that boy, that new boy. The boy could never play anything. And they change that ball. And today too, our star boy, somebody who know how to play football. And we all know. They give him 10 jersey. They give him captain, fine. Allow him to use his 20 jersey. Never put the 10 jersey on him.
They could do so disappointed. I am papa. By the end of the energy about Ghana kept my fawino, but yes, you are as an Amman. I next my more days about my qualify. And by bonnet here, yes,
my money is in it. I was cashing out. Asimio, I think that if they have to see them do sin for, or they have to see the prophetess, the prophet, and everybody to plead on them. I don't know. We have done something wrong.
You better China, my dear, yo. My mama fuck Africa, my set to Maduro. Maybe I'm a Chagan over 2.5. I'm not saying you know, Kaska, Kramina being coffee. Why need?
And then if I cry about ball, I need to say, if I cry about ball, please, I'm
telling you, it's man of the match. I need to say, salute the boy. Because a hard luck, Obia body ball. Inaki Williams Obamu, look at what he did. Inaki did the best. What do you be on? To me personal, players will be on met my units one ball. Obia boy, I mean, who is that? Charlie, relax something in the football.
Right, and Tianone, the course so after the game, fans naming someone one more day to drop. After 3 games, say in a Ghana group in the city, Shannon Somame, and I would say yes, and Yamamoya Ghana, your 2 points, you heard. Angola and Niger, so far Angola taking lead, they were 6. Motimunsa man for Treformable. Sudan 4 points after 3 games. The NSO 2. A cock people more rough for the Anagas. So this is the Ghana group 6-4-2-1. 6-4-2-1 Ghana with 2 points. And no one someone on the Emerson and qualifies the better why na Yashe Sabi Angola Diano. Kakwaya 1-1 Bianca bad. Na Madonna Taraso Kakra. Now Namibia and Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe born Namibia by a goal to nil. Botswana about Cape Verde by a goal. DR Congo about Tanzania by a goal. Ghana de about 0-0. Algeria about Togo 5-1 and a Burkina Faso and so about Burundi by 4-1. And then Madagascar and Gambia about Tunisia and Comoros, Gabon and Lesotho, Egypt and Mauritania, Benin and Rwanda, Nigeria and Libya, Senegal, Malawi, and South Africa and Congo, Cameroon, and Kenya. Now, you call the Ghanaian Premier League match day 6. House of Oak Young Apostles Nebo. The other fixtures are Bebaso and Accra Lions by the University of Ghana Stadium, and Brecum Chelsea or Channel 3 p.m. Na Heart of Lions ni Vision about Pando. Now, Young Apostles ni House of Oak at the Winchi Sports Stadium. Na Finso no Summertex and Instructor Mind the Apem so Basake Holy Stars ni Karela United, Nation Steps ni Gold Stars, na Fi Adriana Stars and the Dream Steps the Apostle Ghanaian Premier League match day 6 fixtures are Ebe so no. Okopimo Division 1 matches Bebaso and Tebe and also be copy the BPM Biano. Yet I want some bebro. Walla natural mineral water. Walla natural mineral water. Walla natural mineral water. My body means one numbia walla drinks names soon ya dear Badwam sono. One share was so be shepa. It's ya no on papa na walla natural mineral water. Omona ken ho abribia de agudi bonsam. Ebro ewo Badwam so. Oko Adom newsroom or chame am wakonda kwa. Yes, DJ Amos and audio birthday, happy birthday going out to you. Yaminsha, Omo Pomudi man, and Quatintin yesterday, I'm on Nanopai, Mochami Amwa. Sergio Manucho Bernard Padibo, producer, Cage One and Cassani, Erica.